back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Susanna and I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys some of my most valuable tips on how to make your house or your home look and feel more cozy. Especially you guys during a time like this where we are spending about 99.9% of our time inside. It is important to be in a place that you actually want to be in. And what better way to do that than make it as cozy as possible? Right now, I am channeling my inner coziness. I'm wearing my pajamas. So we are having a little pajama party today while I take you guys through some fun and helpful tips. Before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also, comment below some of your tips of how you make your apartment or your home look and feel more cozy. Because honestly, your tips could help me out, it could help someone else out, and I would just love to hear from you guys. So be sure to comment below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take you through my apartment and show you all of my helpful tips. So my very first tip for a more cozy and inviting home is warmer lighting. When you have warmer lighting, your home is going to instantly feel more cozy and inviting. If you guys are wanting the lighting in your home to be more calm and relaxing, I would highly recommend getting soft white light bulbs, because these are going to promote more of a soothing and calm atmosphere within your home. If you have the, let's say, daylight light bulbs, it is going to make your home feel more energized and like you need to be up and constantly doing stuff. And maybe that's the vibe that you want in your home. But if you want it to feel more cozy, especially if you're in at night, relaxing on your couch, watching a little bit of Netflix, and you just want a couple little lights on, you're gonna want those soft white lights, because that daylight lighting is going to mess with your internal clock and you're not going to be able to wind down like you would like to. So soft white lighting is an easy way to make your apartment or your home feel so much more cozy and inviting. Another tip is having lots and lots of pillows on your bed. As you can see, I cover my bed with lots of cozy and pretty pillows. I also like to add a whole lot of texture in my home, especially softer textures, because that is going to make it feel so much more soft and cozy. My next big tip is kind of a funny one, but it is drink stations. Nothing feels more welcoming than walking in and being offered a cup of tea or some kind of a warm beverage. And so if you are wanting to make your home feel more inviting and comfortable, make a couple drink stations in your home. Let me show you what I'm talking about. My coffee station, I feel like, gives my home just that extra touch of coziness, because it makes guests feel welcome to go up and make themselves a cup of coffee whenever it is out there and displayed for them. And so that is instantly going to make your home look more put together and cozy and warm. Because let's face it guys, there's nothing more cozy than a warm cup of coffee or tea or whatever you like to drink. Another example of a fun drink station is a bar cart. Bar carts can give your home a much more relaxing feel simply because they are so beautiful to look at. Especially if you have it styled really nicely and it matches your personality, it can really add that special touch to your home. Also, bar carts can contain wine, and honestly, it is so nice to come home and just maybe on the weekends want to relax on a Friday, pour yourself a small glass of wine and watch some Netflix or play games with friends. And so bar carts really provide that feel of community and gathering, even though we can't really do that right now, but it kind of gives off those vibes. And so that is why I really enjoy having a bar cart in my home, and it makes it feel so much more cozy and warm. Another way to make your home feel more cozy and warm is by bringing nature inside. And I do this usually with fake plants because I'm not the best at keeping live plants alive. But honestly, as long as you find some good quality, realistic looking fake plants, then those can be perfect. This one is a little bit more self-explanatory, but it is so helpful. And that trick is candles and anything that smells nice. There is nothing more relaxing than coming home to a home or an apartment that actually, you know, smells good. And so I love to light not only candles, but I love to have my Scentsy going and wall plugins, just all of those things that are going to make my home smell so nice. So we are nearing the end of this video, but really quick, I have 2 bonus tips for you guys. They're short, simple tips, but number 1 is keep fun little candy jars around your home. For some reason, I just feel like this gives it a really nice, fun, cozy feel to your home. And not to mention, my boyfriend absolutely loves my candy jars, and they're always almost empty. I think this one is really fun and cute, and again, almost empty, but it has some pretty M&Ms next to my Scentsy, which once again makes the home feel so cozy and inviting. Last but not least, I actually also have this tip in my how to make your apartment or home look and feel more expensive video, which once again, I will link that in the description below. But guys, this is simple. Well, simple-ish. Just keep your home clean. That is going to make it feel so much more cozy and warm. You're not going to feel very cozy in a place that is gross and dirty. You are going to want to feel like you're in a clean atmosphere in order to completely relax. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that these tips really helped y'all out. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please check out some of my others. I also have tips on how to make your apartment or home look and feel more expensive. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give me that thumbs up. I would appreciate that so much. And I will have a new video coming out for you guys every Tuesday and Friday, so stay tuned for those. Say bye, honey. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.